guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be making strawberry waffles. Wait, no. Strawberry pancake. Funny story, last night I was watching Dance Mom and they were playing ads, and one of the ads was very expensive appliances only rich people can afford, and they showed a dad making some pancakes and he added blueberries on top.
I want to eat that.
So like, maybe it's like the universe telling me to make pancakes. So yeah, I'm literally making pancakes because of the Dance Mom ad. Yeah, you know what? This is gonna be the title of the video. So yeah, before I start making the pancakes, if you're Gordon Ramsay, don't watch this video, click out because... Okay, so anyways, let's go.
Just gets deeper, deeper. It's way deeper than us. Deeper, deeper. It's way deeper than us.
This tastes like candy.
Don't let this love make you blind. We could be something better, something better. Together, be together, be together, be together, be together. Something better, something better, something better, something better, something better.
It's way deeper than us.
Taste this. Oh my god, my camera's dying. I think I just made the most delicious pancake ever without burning the house down.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, this is a super easy breakfast or like snack or like even dinner, but they're so fluffy and they grow so big, and oh my gosh, the strawberries. You can literally add any fruits or like any toppings, blueberries or mangoes. Gordon Ramsay could never. Yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you guys next time in a new video. Bye. I'm trying to make something for the bloopers, but I don't know what bloopers look like.
Strawberry pancakes.